Hi there, this is a video for the Module 4 test for Apologia Chemistry, 2nd edition. Question number 1 for the Module 4 test asks, what are the 4 classifications that we learned for matter? What they're talking about here is not the states of matter, but the classifications of matter. So we learned that matter can either be present as an element, as a compound, as a homogeneous mixture, or a heterogeneous mixture, okay? So that is number 1. Number 2 asks, what are the 2 classifications for the changes that matter undergoes? So matter can undergo chemical changes or physical changes. So those are the 2 classifications, chemical or physical. Number 3, if a substance is an element, is it a pure substance or a mixture? If a substance is an element, it is a pure substance. Classify the following as element, compound, homogeneous mixture, or heterogeneous mixture. Letter A, fruit salad. Fruit salad is a heterogeneous mixture. It is not the same throughout. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil is actually made from the element aluminum. It is an element. Pile of CaCO3, that's calcium carbonate. As you can tell from the fact that there are multiple atom names in the name of that thing, matter, it is a compound. And letter D, fertilizer dissolved in water. That would be a homogeneous mixture. It would be the same throughout. Letter 5 asks, number 5 asks, what are the differences between solid HCl, hydrogen chloride, and liquid hydrogen chloride? Okay, so there are multiple differences. Number 1 is the volume, okay? Solid hydrogen chloride will have less volume than liquid hydrogen chloride. Solid hydrogen chloride has its molecules closer together than liquid hydrogen chloride. And solid hydrogen chloride's molecules move more slowly than liquid hydrogen chloride's molecules. So those are some of the differences between liquid and solid hydrogen chloride. Number 6 says, if a substance goes from the gas phase to the liquid phase, was it cooled or heated? Okay, so think about water vapor. If you have water vapor and it becomes liquid, is it heated or is it cooled? It's cooled. So the answer is cooled. It's going from a phase where the molecules are moving faster and are farther apart to a phase where the molecules are moving more slowly. It's cooled. Number 7, ice floats in water. Does frozen HNO3 float in liquid HNO3? That's hydrogen nitrate. The answer is no, because unlike water, most substances in their liquid phase are less dense than in their water phase, and then in their solid phase. So in their solid phase, they are denser than their liquid phase, and so frozen things sink. Number 8, classify the following changes as physical or chemical. Letter A says a lawn gets mowed. That is a physical change. The grass actually releases certain chemicals, so we could also think of it as a chemical change, but they're just talking about the grass being cut. They don't mean the because if you've ever noticed when you lie on freshly cut grass, you can get itchy and get a rash. Grass is actually producing a substance which makes animals that might be eating it irritated, okay? So it is actually undergoing a chemical change. But the book is merely talking about the cutting, and they mean it's only a physical change. So the lawn getting mowed, they want you to say there's a physical change. A frozen turkey thawing, it's going from a cold frozen state to a not cold frozen state. Okay, so that would be a physical change. Letter C, wood burns in a fireplace. Well, that's also a change, but it is a chemical change because it is not something you can put back together. The turkey I can freeze again after it thaws. I could tape the grass back together, okay? But the wood, I can't undo the wood and make it, not ash and water and carbon dioxide anymore. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here and do the rest of Module 4 task questions on my chalkboard so that I can write down the answers for you. Hope to see you then.